Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The law of cosines, side, side case. Let's start with a triangle ABC where we know all three sides. And for the sake of the problem, let's say we're looking for angle C. Since we know side A is 4, side B is 7, and side C is 5, we can plug them into the law of cosines, which, as we know, is C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of angle C. Plugging in our values, we'll have 5 squared equals 4 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 4 times 7 times the cosine of C. We can simplify this, and our job is to solve for angle C. At this point in time, we have to be careful not to subtract 65 minus 56. We want to solve for C, so we're going to subtract 65 from both sides of the equation. This will get us negative 40 is equal to negative 56 cosine of C. Divide both sides by negative 56. And then finally, we can solve for C by taking the inverse cosine of 0.7143. This should get us an angle of 44.4 degrees.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.